To create a collective society where we work together, I believe that we need to build solutions together for all of us. It doesn't matter if you're a well-established, huge non-profit or if you're just starting out, you need to have the same opportunity to grow your fundraising. And we need to build that infrastructure together. And that's something that we're doing in Octany. Funding has been decreased quite heavily, both across the Nordics and in Europe, to non-profits. And this means that they have to privately, competitively, at scale, fundraise on their own. But how well equipped are they really to do that? Well, we audited every single non-profit ourselves, and we found that 46% of Swedish non-profits can't even accept a simple donation online. Through Brite, we can collect that information from my own bank. So everything is accurate, everything is correct, and everything is automatic as well. So it's really frictionless donor experience that we get here. And we also get the correct data. We get my correct name as well. So if I would even misspell my name, we would get that correctly. From the first month after implementing Brite, we saw an increase by 24% in conversion rate from using that automatic bank account retrieval information process. So that's a huge increase, and we're really proud of that.